Why choose minimalist closet organization?
A minimalist closet simplifies your daily routine, reduces overwhelm, and makes your wardrobe work better for you. By decluttering quickly and intentionally, you gain more space, clarity, and time. Embracing minimalist principles helps avoid decision fatigue and ensures that every item you own serves a purpose. Discover how streamlining your closet can lead to a calmer, more organized life.
Step 1. Empty and sort.
Start by removing everything from your closet and laying it out where you can see it. Group similar items together: shirts, pants, dresses, and so on. This provides a clear overview of what you own and makes it easier to spot duplicates or unused items. Seeing your entire wardrobe at once is the key to making fast, confident decisions.
Step 2. The keep or let go test.
Pick up each item and ask yourself, do I wear it? Do I love it? If the answer is no, set it aside for donation or recycling. Be honest and practical. If something doesn't fit your style or lifestyle anymore, it's time to let it go. This quick test helps you curate a wardrobe that truly reflects your needs.
Step 3. Organize with purpose.
Return only the items you love and wear often to your closet, arranging them by category or color for easy access. Use slim hangers, shelf dividers, or small baskets to maximize space and keep everything visible. Store out-of-season items elsewhere. Keeping your closet visually tidy makes getting dressed quicker and less stressful.
Tips for maintaining a minimalist closet.
Adopt the one in, one out rule. Whenever you buy something new, let go of one item. Review your closet every few months to reassess what you use and love. Avoid impulse shopping by sticking to versatile, quality pieces. Minimalist closet organization is an ongoing practice, but these simple habits make it easy to maintain a clutter-free wardrobe.